And, you know, if we can perfect the alignment, and by alignment I'm talking about the pelvis, the hips, the femur to the tibia, the alignment of the body at the ball height, then we have a head start when they have to put their legs up high. You know, what is the use of having the leg up here if you can't maintain it? And you can't maintain the height unless the alignment is pure. And they lift out of the lumbar spine and bend from above the lumbar spine. Excellent. And recover. Right? And a third set, melt through the metatarsal. And without these muscles that we're going to activate in Allegro, you can't really elevate and get off the floor and propel into the jetés and all those wonderful leaps without the deep muscles active. And use the imagery that we're actually in the classroom doing this fantastic leap into jeté. So propel, up, jeté, and then relax back down. Now, at the end of whether you're doing your ballet or your contemporary or whatever you're dancing, it's lovely to do a slow warm down and stretch out and release the body. And that's what this exercise is, just a feel-good exercise. Now, that's it. Really reach out as far, roll the ball to the other side while you take a port de bras over and reach.